Good morning, everybody. Our next chapter is chapter 14, Trial Balance and Errors. The statement prepared with the help of ledger balances at the end of the financial year to find out whether debit total agrees with credit total is called trial balance, or in other words, all the businessmen after completion of posting from journal or subsidiary books to the ledger want to verify accuracy of the posting. For this purpose, a statement is prepared wherein the balances of all the accounts in the ledger are incorporated. The statement so prepared is called the trial balance. Trial balance is a statement prepared to check the accuracy that total side is equal to credit, total of debit side is equal to total of credit side or not. So this is the format of trial balance, particular, or you can say that name of accounts. Okay, next is ledger folio, next is balance debit, balance credit, and at the end total means your debit side should be equal to your credit side, because we know that there is a purpose, it is the purpose of preparing the trial balance that our debit side equals to the credit side. So let's solve illustration 2, that is prepare a trial balance from the following balances of Shri Keshav Chand Gopal Chand as at 31st March 2018. So there are some terms. So how you write, remember that assets are always debited and liabilities are always credited, expense are debited, incomes are credited. So by this जो टर्म जर्नल एंट्री में डेबिट होती है वो ट्रायल बैलेंस में भी डेबिट होगी, एंड जो जर्नल एंट्री में क्रेडिट होती है वो ट्रायल बैलेंस में भी क्या होगी, क्रेडिट होगी. और मैंने आपको बता ही दिया टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट, असेट्स, लाइबिलिटी, इनकम एंड एक्सपेंस, एंड कैपिटल इज ऑलवेज क्रेडिटेड, राइट. So let's prepare trial balance as at 31st March 2018. First of all, we write at the top the name of account or particulars, ledger folio, balance debit and balance credit. So our first term is no to and no by. Okay, directly we write the term here, opening stock. Opening stock is परचेजेस एंट्री, तो इसमें भी क्या करेंगे, डेबिट करेंगे. परचेज रिटर्न इज क्रेडिटेड इन द जर्नल एंट्री, तो इसमें भी क्या करेंगे, क्रेडिट करेंगे. सेल्स क्रेडिटेड होती हैं जर्नल एंट्री में, इसमें भी क्या करेंगे, क्रेडिट करेंगे. एंड सेल रिटर्न डेबिट होता है, तो इसमें भी क्या करेंगे, डेबिट करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट रेंट 1200, रेंट इज एन एक्सपेंस, डेबिट होगा. एंड सैलरी इज ऑल्सो एन एक्सपेंस, 5700 डेबिटेड. आफ्टर दैट एडवर्टीजमेंट debit because expense. Commission received is an income is always credited. Discount, here mention discount is debit or credit, here discount is credit, so we write it on the credit side. Furniture is an asset, debited, 6000. Machinery is also an asset, debit. After that debtors is also asset, debit. And after that creditors is liability, 12,750, credit side. Bill receivable is an asset, BR 4600. and bills payable 2500 is an liability credit. And after that, cash in hand 11,220 is an asset. 11,220 debit. Bank overdraft, the amount is 10,000. Bank overdraft is a liability credit, 10,000. And after that, interest on bank overdraft. Interest on bank overdraft, we pay the interest on bank overdraft. It is expense for us, so expense are always debited. Amount is 1800. Next is capital. Capital is always credited in the journal entry. 50,000. After that, drawings. Drawings is always debited in the journal entry. 7,800. Input CGST, input SGST. Input is always debited in the entry 5,000, 5,000. Input CGST 5,000. Input SGST 5,000. And after that, output is always credited in the journal entry. Output CGST GST. Amount is 8,000, 8,000 each credited. So we all put that. After that, we will total of both side, debit side and credit side. Our total should be equal. Total of this side is 2,58,400 and this side also 2,58,400 equal. There is a closing stock in the trial balance. Keep that, we will not show the closing stock in the trial balance, right? We show only opening stock. So it's very easy chapter. Try to solve the practical questions.